This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Good morning, everyone. This is video number 15 from our Excel course. I hope you find it well. In this video, we're going to show two more functions, ceiling and floor function. Ceiling function. This function takes a number and returns the nearest bigger value, which is a multiple of a given value. This function takes two arguments. The first argument is the number itself. Second argument is a significance. For example here, if we have a list of numbers and we want to get its ceiling to the nearest 5, the first argument is the number itself, which is in cell P3. For example here, it's 1. Second argument is a significance. 1 is the first biggest number in multiples of 5, which it will be 5. And 2 will be 5. 3 and 4 and 5 is 5. 6 will be 10. From 6 to 10 it's 10. And from 11 to 12 it's 15. Floor function is just the opposite. As you can see here, from 1 to 5, from 1 to 4 it returns 0, and from 5 to 9 it returns 5. From 10 to 12 it returns 10. The first argument is the same. Second argument is the same. Let's see it in Excel sheet. Here we go. We say equal ceiling between two parentheses. I say the number I want to make it ceiling here is in cell B3 and the significance is 5. Enter. It will give me 5. Copy paste. Here we go. It returns always the nearest number to 5. And here 10. And here 15. Using floor function equal floor. I give the number and the significance. Copy and paste. Here we go. From 1 to 4 it returns 0. And from 5 to 9 it returns 5. From 10 to 12 it returns 10. Thank you very much for watching this video and see you next one.